Hey there, nerds and regular humans. Welcome to the wild world of blockchain. Let's talk about something you might associate with weird internet money, digital gold, or even the future of finance. And yes, we all have that one friend who won't shut up about Dogecoin, the meme coin that took the world by storm. Get ready because it's about to get boring, lie informative. But trust me, you'll want to stick around. Did you know that blockchain technology is growing faster than a pack of feral raccoons in a dumpster fire? It's true, and it's not just hype. While Bitcoin gets all the headlines, businesses are quietly using blockchain for everything from tracking tuna to securing medical records. It's a silent revolution. It's like the Swiss Army knife of tech, except instead of a tiny corkscrew, it has the potential to revolutionize, well, everything. Imagine a tool that can do it all. But before we dive into that, let's talk about what blockchain actually is. Spoiler, it's more than just a buzzword. And no, it's not just a fancy word for a spreadsheet on the internet. It's a groundbreaking technology with endless possibilities. Imagine a digital ledger that's spread across thousands of computers, all working together to keep it updated and secure. That's blockchain in a nutshell. It's a decentralized system that ensures transparency and security. Every time a transaction happens, it's recorded on this ledger, making it virtually impossible to tamper with. Each entry is time-stamped and linked to the previous one. Think of it like a public library, but instead of books, it's full of transaction records. Each record is meticulously cataloged and stored, and instead of librarians, it's maintained by a bunch of computers all over the world. These computers work together to verify and record each transaction. Try sneaking a fake book past that. The system's security measures make it extremely difficult to alter any information. Since Bitcoin first used blockchain back in 2009, the technology has come a long way. It has evolved and expanded into various sectors. We now have different types of blockchains, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Some are public, while others are private or consortium-based. It's like the difference between a regular library and one that specializes in, say, medieval manuscripts about cheesemaking. Each type serves a unique purpose and audience. Now let's talk about why you should care about blockchain, even if you think Bitcoin is just a passing fad. This technology has the potential to change everything from how we vote to how we buy our daily coffee. Imagine a world where you control your own medical records and can share them securely with any doctor you choose. Or a supply chain where you can track your food from farm to table, ensuring its safety and ethical sourcing. How about voting systems that are virtually impossible to rig or tamper with? These are just a few examples of how blockchain can make our lives better, more efficient, and maybe even a little less dystopian. Look, I get it. The world of blockchain can seem confusing, intimidating, and maybe even a little bit scammy. With all the technical jargon and complex concepts, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But it's important to remember that blockchain is just a tool. Just like a hammer or a wrench, it has its specific uses and applications, and like any tool, it can be used for good or for evil. It's not the tool itself that's inherently good or bad, but how we choose to use it. Yes, there are plenty of shady characters in the crypto space, but that doesn't mean we should throw the baby out with the bathwater. Blockchain technology itself holds immense potential. Blockchain technology has the potential to revolutionize countless industries, from healthcare to finance to supply chain management. And that's something worth getting excited about. So next time you hear someone talking about blockchain, don't just tune it out. Take a moment to really listen and understand what they're saying. Take a moment to learn more about this fascinating technology and its potential to change the world. There are plenty of resources out there to help you get started. Who knows? You might even be inspired to build the next big thing in the blockchain space. The possibilities are truly endless. Now if you'll excuse me, I have to go figure out how to explain NFTs to my grandmother. Wish me luck. It's going to be an interesting conversation. Like and subscribe for updates, thanks.